Hello, today I will show you how to join multiple video files into one video file. I use the program FFmpeg and it can be downloaded from the website for free. I will combine two video files named 1 and 2 into one video named test. I will show you the length of each video file so that you can then compare with the video in which these files will be combined. It is necessary to create a text file in which you will specify the full path of the video files. After creating the text file, you can open the command prompt program. In the command prompt window, you need to write the command that shows the video. Milelist.txt is a file that contains the paths of the video files that will be merged. Tits.mp4 is the video result file. A test video file has been created that has combined video file 1 and 2.